After I learned this recipe for bananas, my family asks every week. Let's start by peeling and cutting 2 bananas into slices. The more perfect, the more beautiful they are in our recipe. Now, let's heat a frying pan. Brush 20 grams of milk butter all over the inside. This is the base that will give that wonderful flavor. Then add sugar to taste and arrange the banana slices. Look how inviting they will be. Now, in a bowl, add an egg, 50 grams of sugar and a pinch of salt. Stir well. This mixture will make our cake super fluffy. Now, it's time to add 50 milliliters of sunflower oil and mix again. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, it'll be fun. Come on, add 150 milliliters of milk and mix again. What about the smell? It's already starting to look amazing. Add vanilla to taste. Using a sieve, add 130 grams of wheat flour and 20 grams of chocolate powder. Mix everything well. And do not forget the yeast to make everything cute. Now, pour the mixture carefully over the bananas in the skillet. Spread well and bring to low heat for 30 minutes. This is the time to be patient, and feel the aroma that will invade the kitchen. After 30 minutes, it's time to tell the truth. Spread the dough and see if it comes out clean. If so, we're ready, and here it is. Our sensational banana cake in the frying pan is ready to be served. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and comment your opinion. Bon appetit and see you for the next culinary adventure.